Here's how to convert to WebM video files. So if you want to convert any video file to WebM, I use an app called ConvertSave, which is a drag and drop file converter that I created for Windows and Mac. So I've got this MP4 file here. I can click and drag it into ConvertSave and select my output. And WebM is in here, and all I have to do is hit convert, and it will take that MP4 video and convert it to WebM. You can check this out at convertsave.com, or you can just go to the link in the description down below. Basically, it's an image, video, and file converter that I created with my brother, who's a software developer, because I was sick of uploading all my files to random websites and having to download the files, converting only a couple at a time. You can convert a ton at a time. WebM, depending on your file size, can take a little bit longer for that to encode and convert, but some of the other file formats are pretty instantaneous, like if I was trying to convert MP4 to MP3. Also, interestingly enough, we created this app, we were doing the website for it, and I had to convert video files to WebM. And so I did that for the website using ConvertSave. You can see that we just finished that WebM conversion. And so that took a little extra time. Let's go ahead and see if we can convert another. Sometimes the first conversion takes a little longer, but we'll see if this MP4 can convert to WebM. If you are converting to WebM, maybe you're trying to convert a smaller video to WebM, but maybe you're not. I mean, these are 25 megabytes or so. We'll see if this takes about the same amount of time. But converting to WebM is easy using ConvertSave. You can convert all these different file formats. You can see that there's so many different outputs as well. If you're trying to convert like MP4 to GIF or MOV, AVI, any of these things, most of these are a lot quicker than WebM. The encoder for WebM is a little bit slower, especially on Mac. You can also convert your video files to audio as well. And there are also a ton of image formats that you can convert from one image to another, or take multiple images and make them PDF or a multi-page PDF. Lots of different options. We're still working on this and adding a lot of different features. And as I'm literally recording this, talking to you, I'm thinking, I wonder if there's any way we can make this WebM conversion a little bit faster. It's going to be very quick if you have small videos. The videos that I converted on the ConvertSave website, convertsave.com, were pretty small in file size, and they ended up being maybe a megabyte in WebM. And so you can actually see that this MP4, well, I don't have the file size here, so let's see if we can get info and get the file size. Yeah, it's 3.9 megabytes that it compressed down from 20 megabytes. So the WebM file format is quite a bit of compression. And there you go. We just finished this other one. And I bet you this one is, it went from 26 down to also 3.9. So a very high compression video format. That's particularly why it takes a little bit longer to encode. Anyway, that's how I convert to WebM. And hopefully you find this useful for not only that, but a lot of different other file conversions. Thanks for your support, you guys. I'll see you in the next one.